In this video, how to DM on LinkedIn, I will show you step by step how to send a direct message on LinkedIn. First, open the LinkedIn app on your phone or go to the LinkedIn website. Log into your account using your email and password. After logging in, go to the search bar at the top of the screen. Type the name of the person you want to message. Click on the person's profile from the search results. Now click the button called Message. The chat window will open automatically. Type the message you want to send. Write your message clearly and professionally. After typing the message, click the Send button. The message will be sent directly to the person. You can also access messages using the chat icon. Click the Messages icon at the top of the screen. Now select the conversation you want. Type your new message in the text field. Click Send to finish. If the person is not your connection, you may need to connect first. Click Connect to send a connection request. After the person accepts, you will be able to send messages normally. This is how you can send a DM on LinkedIn easily.